welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to film this video for you all today. I was lucky enough to receive this from work the other day by Too Faced. Thank you so much for giving this to me. It's so beautiful. I got the new Too Faced Chocolate Gold collection. It's in this massive box here. I'll show you guys what's in it. I'm so excited. Okay, so when you open it, this is what is inside. And all these goodies in here. So first of all, we have the really pretty Too Faced Chocolate Gold eyeshadow palette. Seriously though, how pretty is this packaging? I think today I'm going to use the two purple shades and the gold shades all together for my look. So next we have the gold melted lipstick, this one here, and then this gold pigment. So this is little gold pigment you get. We also got an eyeliner. So it's actually a peel off eyeliner, so it's got gold glitter in it, and when you put it on, when you're done with the look, I guess you can just peel it off. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to the girls at work for giving me this collection. I'm so grateful that I received this from you girls, and I cannot wait to use it. Thank you guys so much. It means the world to me. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hey guys, so I'm just starting off with priming my eyelids with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Then I'm using this amazing Mecca palette that was bought out at Christmas time for my transition colours. I'm first going in with that really orangey, light, peachy sort of shade eyeshadow and just blending that all in my crease, and I like to bring it a little bit higher up to my brow bone as well. Once that shade's really blended out, I'm using this really light pink shade, and I'm sort of going over the exact same area. I do like to go in with similar colours to make sure they're all blended out really seamlessly before I start going into the darker shades. I'm using the shade Salted Caramel from my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm just starting to deepen up the crease area a little bit, and I'm not bringing this shade as high as the other two. The last matte shade I'm using in my crease area is this really pretty hot pink shade from the Mecca palette. This is the shade I'm using to really start to darken up the whole crease area and bring some depth into the eye look, and then I'll start going in with the shimmery shades on my lid. Yay, so now I get to go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm starting off using the really pink eyeshadow. I'm dampening my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm just applying that to the inner third of my eye. I absolutely love this shade. It's probably my favourite shade in this palette. I just love how bright it is and how much it stands out. I know it's not a shade people would wear every day, but it just looks really beautiful on the eyes.
I thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, and more than a letter to each other. The white balance.
On the outer third of my eye, I'm using this really shimmery purple shade. Unfortunately, this shade didn't apply as well as the lighter pink shade. It still looked really nice at the end. I just had to work harder to get the colour payoff for this shade. Glitter glue, and the last shimmer shade I'm using on my lid today is this really bright gold shade. It's sort of almost yellow. I'm pressing down the glitter glue first where I want the gold to go, then I'm packing the gold on top of the glitter glue. You get such a strong colour payoff when you use the glitter glue underneath, so if you do get this palette, I highly recommend getting the glitter glue to go with it. I just think it applied so much easier and it looked so much nicer in the end.
Needs to let go. I still wish you the best.
I'm trying to create a little bit of a cut crease sort of look with the Too Faced Peel Off Glitter Liner. This liner is a really cool concept. The only thing is it did start to peel off the inner corner after a couple of hours, which you don't really want when you're wearing the eyeliner. I'm just using the Kat Von D Tattoo Eyeliner to create a wing.
Now I know I can't take it anymore, 'cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
To finish up this eye look today, I'm using the Huda Beauty Jade number 13 eyelashes. They're my favourite style by her. If you haven't checked them out, definitely go down and have a look at them. They're my favourite lashes and I find I can wear them quite a few times as well. So yeah, go and check them out. For my foundation today, I'm using the Nars Sheer Glow in the shade Fiji. This is my favourite foundation at the moment, and my favourite way to apply this foundation is with a damp beauty blender. Yeah, so that's the foundation I've been wearing the last few months. I know I was wearing the L'Oreal Infallible and the Makeup Forever one, but I've sort of gone off of them for now and have been trying this one out, and I really have started loving it again. I did used to wear it years ago, then stopped. Now I can't stop wearing it again, so definitely go and try it. I'm mixing together the Tarte Shape Tape and the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer as well, just on the highest points of my face, and blending them out with the same damp beauty blender.
Can't have one without the other. It was written in the stars.
Once they're blended out, I'm going in with the Hourglass powder in, I think it's Ethereal Light. This has been my favourite powder to set my face at the moment. I use it over the Laura Mercier one. Definitely go and have a look at it if you haven't tried it before. It does work really well. As always, I'm using my NYX Highlighting and Contouring Palette just to contour my cheekbones, forehead and a little bit on my nose. Today I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and I believe this one is in the shade Medium Brown. I really like this pencil. Unfortunately, I've just run out of it and I don't have any more product left, so I've had to use powder the last 2 weeks, which is just crushing me, so I really need to buy another one. They're so easy to apply. Another really good one as well is the Hourglass Brow Arch. They're quite similar, they're very much the same shape, they both work basically just as good as each other, but they're the two brow products I've been using lately.
Across the Milky Way, where it's waiting diamonds, we'll return someday.
pink shades mixed together today out of my Tarte-Blush Wheel. To finish off my face products, I am literally drowning my face in this Mecca Cosmetica highlighter. It is the only highlighter I do wear at the moment. I absolutely love it. If you do not have it, go and get it. It is the best highlighter I have personally ever used. It is so nice. It actually looks wet on the face. If you don't have it, go and get it. So I obviously wanted to show you what the gold latex melted lipstick from Too Faced does look like. I did try it over the top of one of my Hourglass lipsticks. I tried it by itself, and then I also, in this video, just wore the Hourglass lipstick by itself as well. So you'll get to see all of the finishes. I just wanted to know what the gold one would look like with this look. I think it was pretty full on. It did look really cool, but it's not something that I would wear every day. The last thing I'm doing with this look today is just putting some of the pure gold pigment in the inner corner of my eyes, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm so grateful for receiving this whole entire pack. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It would mean so much to me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Close your eyes and just stay tight.